Hello children, I am S.K. Pandey, a teacher of English from DAV CCL Giridi. Today I am going to take the video class of a standard 5th, and today I have decided to teach you the second chapter of English Reader. You know children, what is the name of the second chapter? This is The Tale of a Tale, written by R.K. Narayan. First, we justify the title. The first word is T-A-L-E. You know what is the meaning of T-A-L-E? The meaning of this word is a story. And the other word is T-A-I-L. This is T-A-I-L. In Hindi, it is to be called pooch. Tail. We can see the tail in the animals. The tail of the cow, the tail of the dog or the elephant. Why R.K. Narayan has used the word T-A-I-L? It means one who has a tail, we cannot separate it. In this story, we are going to discuss, we are going to find out the exact meaning, or we are going to find out the story, that is T-A-L-E. So the story of tale. Here, this is very interesting story and it is correlated with your life. I mean the children life. How a student goes to the school and he meets to the different children, to the different students, and how one of them became very close friend. Someone becomes friend and someone becomes very close friend. In this story, we see that Swaminathan is a central character, the main character of this story. Swaminathan. In brief, in short, I can say him Swami. So Swaminathan or Swami, there is no difference. Both are same. Swami, I mean Swaminathan, he is a student of a standard 5th, and when he goes to the school, when he goes to school and attends his class, what he sees that on the blackboard there is a diagram of a tail, T-A-I-L, that is pooch, and the word T-A-I-L has been written also. That time there were two students. One is Shankar and the other is Mani. They were present there. As Swami enters his classroom, both of them, I mean Mani and Shankar, they start laughing. And this is very important to know that Mani was unpacking his bag. I have used the word unpacking. Packed, I mean closed. But here is the word unpacked. Means Mani opens his bag and Shankar was reading his books. Now Swami feels very disturbance. Why they are laughing and what is the reason behind it? When Shankar sees towards the blackboard, he saw that there is a figure of tail. You know why he was very disturbed? Actually, Swami has five friends. Swami has five friends. You children, you have also so many friends in the classroom, but one is very close, to whom you say very close friend, that is bosom friend or pen friend. So Swami has five friends. The names are, please listen, the names of Swami's friends are, one is P, second is Mani, third Somu, fourth Rajam, and fifth Sankar. So if the question arises that how many friends of Swami, how many friends had Swami or Swami has, simply we write he has five friends. And who were they? So we write P, P-E-A, second Mani, M-A-N-I, the third is Somu, S-O-M-E, next Rajam, and the next is Sankar. They were five friends of Swaminathan. When Swami enters, only two were there. One is Mani, one is Shankar. One is Shankar and other is P. When, so they were five friends, but who is pen friend? Who is bosom friend of Swami? Do you know? Rajam. Rajam was very close friend of Swaminathan. So very close friend is pen friend or bosom friend. So all the children, they teach Swaminathan, I mean Swami, to say that Swami is the tail, T-A-I-L. Swami is the tail of Rajam. That is why Swami was very disturbed. Why? They are teasing. So Swami goes first of all towards P and slaps. And slaps to whom? First of all, P. When P denies that I have not written that word, I mean tail, then he goes towards Sankar, who was reading books. He also slaps to whom? Sankar. Now the situation is very worst, very bad. The situation is very bad. Now what happens? P. Shankar and Swaminathan, they started fighting. Where? In the classroom. Because the scenario, the scene to whom we are discussing, they are in the classroom. So who were fighting? Swami, I mean Swaminathan, P and Shankar. Why they are fighting? Because Swaminathan had slapped these two, I mean P and Shankar. After some times, the next three, Rajam, Somu and Mani, now they enter the classroom. Now they enter the classroom. And what they see the scenario? That Swami is fighting with them. Somu and Mani parted them with great difficulty, and at the same time a teacher came in the class to teach, but he could not teach there because they were fighting. Now Somu and Mani, they parted and they have been forced to go out from the classroom, and in the field of the school. Now they gathered and they asked Swami, why are you fighting? Now Swami starts sobbing that I have been teased, I have been said, I have been nicknamed that I am the tail of Rajan. This is the matter. Actually, this happens in the classroom with you. Finally, the principal, the headmaster of the school has been informed that the situation is such and such and they are fighting. Actually, the situation is here different. Actually, Mani and Rajam both were foe. Foe means enemy. So Mani does not like that Swami should be a very close friend of Rajam. So Mani says, why did you ask the name of Rajam? What is the matter here? So Mani is trying to scold Swami. At the same time, Somu, the another friend, did not tolerate it and said to Mani, "Oh Mani, why are you scolding Swaminathan? Here it is better for you to know Mani and Somu both are pen friend, both are very close friends. They did not fight with each other. But this time the situation is different and Mani and Somu start fighting. Mani and Somu start fighting and they are fighting as they are enemy. They are enemy. They are foe. And now the matter has been informed to the principal of the school. First of all, the principal comes and says, stop. But when the principal knows everything, he permits the peon that they have been ordered to fight as they can. So what happens? Somu and Mani, who were very close friends earlier, now they fight and fight and fight. And everyone, all the students of the classroom, they were very ashamed that how they are fighting. The problem is not correlated with them. The problem is related to Swami. And despite these both close friends, they are fighting. Actually, friend, this happens in your life. Sometimes you do such activity. You do not fight for yourself. You fight for the others. As here, Mani and Somu are fighting with each other, and the case was not related with them. The case is related to Swami. So, what we get the lesson from here? We should not fight for the others. At least we should think before doing anything. So this is a very good lesson for yours. So thank you children, and in the next video I will solve the question answers of this chapter, and probably if you listen the chapter you can solve the question answers. Anyway, in the next video I will only solve the questions and answers of this chapter. So thank you children.